restart, then restart the system, then login again, then go to file manager, then open Simplicity DVD, install his Simplicity server, then click on here, then press OK. Next, click on next, complete, then click on next. Yes, click on next. I'm skipping the video. The Simplicity is installed. Then restart the computer. Look, the both services are running on Historian system. Then go open the Historian. Click on yes. Go to Historian. Look, it's connected. I'm disconnecting. Then press OK. Go to Simplicity system. Then login it. Then install latest sim of Simplicity. Then click yes. Then click next. Next. I agree. Then next. Click on install. Now I am skipping the video. Then finish it. Then restart it. After restarting the system, then I connect Historian DVD ISO file. Then open it. Click on it. Then open it. Then click on Historian. Then click on install collector for writing the data in Historian. Then click next. I agree. Then next. Then next. Select OPC collector. Then next. Next. Select the Simplicity OPC server one. Then next. Click on next. Then Historian. Give the Historian PC name which we made on earlier. Go to File Explorer, right click on Historian PC. This is the Historian PC name. Then copy it and put in OWS. Change the name here. Then next, click on install. I'm skipping the video. Now the installation is complete. Then click on restart. Then login it. Now open Historian DVD. Then install client tool. This is used for reading the data from Historian to trend. Then wait for some moment. Click on next. Next, give the historian PC name. Here, go to here. This is historian PC name. Copy it and paste it here. Then click next. The installation is complete. Then finish it and restart the system. Computer is restarted. Now we need to install one more thing for reporting purposes. Install Excel add-in feature. It's used for reporting and backup of historian tags. Then install it. Then restart it. The installation of the system is completed. Installation now completed. We are installing in OWS SCADA, which is Simplicity system. We are installing in Simplicity first, then install collector. After that, we are installing client, and in the end, we are installing Excel add-in of in historian setup. And on historian system, we are installing only historian server setup.